Hello guys, after introduction, now let us start with our first lesson, Advanced Web Designing. Last year, we have studied impressive web designing with HTML and JavaScript. Now we will study the advanced features of HTML as HTML5 like cascading style sheets, that is CSS, programming on mobile, flawless working in audio and video, advanced forms, and more support from all browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Opera, Apple, and Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is introduced in Windows 10 instead of Internet Explorer. With the benefits of HTML5, we can play any existing audio file on a computer without downloading the Flash Player. You all are very well known that Flash Player supports to play all types of audio and video files. Besides WAV files, we can use MP3, AAC, that is Advanced Audio Coding, which is used mainly for iPhones and YouTube. And third one is OOG, that is Open Container and Free Audio Format files to play audio on a web page. Now let us see how to insert an audio file on a web page. To insert an audio file, the syntax is audio source equal to sample.mp3, type equal to audio/mp3, where audio is used as a tag to insert an audio on a web page. Source means the source or location of the used file sample.mp3, and the attribute type shows the mp3 file format of audio pattern. We can replace sample.mp3 with our required file. Now see the attributes of the audio tag. First attribute is autoplay. Autoplay will start playing the audio file when web page is loaded. Second attribute is controls. Controls are used to display play, pause, stop, forward, backward, volume controls, that is buttons, on an audio player. Third attribute is loop. Loop indicates the value that audio file is going to play. Fourth attribute is muted. It means audio file will not play though it is specified. And fifth and last attribute is the source, which specifies the URL or the source or location of the preferred file. Now see the sample program to insert an audio file on a web page. Here, as we are using HTML5, we have to specify exclamatory doc type HTML at the first line to indicate that use document type is of HTML. Next program is as usual as we seen in last year. First of all HTML, then body, then we have to specify the heading on the top of the file as audio sample. Then we have to insert the audio by using the audio controls and by providing the source as a test.mp3 and specifying its type as audio/mp3. And then we have to end all these things, that is audio, body and HTML. Its output will be test.mp3 file. That means when we play our web page, at the same time this file will be played. We can add various attributes as per our requirements, as autoplay equal to false or loop equal to 3, etc. Just now we have seen that we can add single audio file with the web page. Now let us see how to add multiple audio files on a single web page. Here in this program, we have added 3 files as test.mp3, test.ogg and test.opus. All these files will play serially one by one. Just like audio, we can insert video on a web page. To insert a video on a web page, we have to use video tag. We can use different video formats to insert the video. First video format is MP4, second video format is OOG, and third video format is web.m. Besides these formats, we can use various formats as MPG, AVI, etc. Now to insert the video on a web page, we have to use the syntax as video source equal to URL, then you have to provide the controls and then end of video. Here controls means the different attributes. Video also having different attributes. First attribute is source. Source means the URL or the location of the video file. Second one is the autoplay. It is used to play the video with the loading of web page. Third one is the controls. Controls are used to display play, pause, stop, forward, backward buttons on a video player. Height and width is specified in pixels. That means it should be given in numbers. Then loop indicate the number, how many times that video is going to play. Next one is the poster. It is used to display an image or data when video is downloading or the user hits the play button. It is just like the event driven programming. Last year also we have seen in JavaScript how event driven programming works. Here, unless and until we click on play button, that video will not play. With that period is indicated by that poster attribute. Here is a sample program to insert a video on a web page. Again, exclamatory doctype HTML, body, then video. We have specified here width as 320 pixels, height as 240 pixels, and then provided the source as movie.mp4 with the type as MP4. Also we have provided the second source as movie.ogg. Here we have also specified its type as a video. Then we specified one line as your browser does not support the video tag. If your PC or your mobile not having the MP4 or OGG format, then it will show that error. I think up to now you have learned how to insert an audio and video on a web page. Depending on this knowledge, now you have to write the coding for given exercise. First question is, you have to design a web page with available audio format file. Second question, you have to design a web page with available video format file. And in third question, you have to design a web page with multiple available audio file formats as well as video file formats.